in this video, I'm doing the Pop Smoke inspired crisscross braids on my son, aka Model. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how his hair is out and just a little bit of the parting. And then I'm going to show you guys how I sectioned each part. And this is how I sectioned it before I started the braiding process. You do want to pre-part and map out what you see. I'm starting off with it already pre-parted. I basically just put it in half and then I make like a little roundabout, if you will, in his head. And then I'm just going around. You will see me kind of, I don't want to say struggling, but you will see me kind of just maneuvering a whole lot because he is 6'10", almost 7 foot tall. And my chair is as low as it can go, but it's still, his height is very hard to record. But I just wanted to show you guys how to do this hairstyle. I did do the other side already. So I'm just basically copying on this side, going the opposite direction of the other braids. And I am braiding it down like so, like this. If you are wondering how long this hairstyle will last, it should last about 3 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks with good maintenance and care. I always like to tell you guys how to maintain the hairstyle. You will have to tie this down with a do-rag or scarf and then a shower cap when you bathe or shower. And that's how you maintain this hairstyle. You can get your hair wet, but you just want to make sure that you allow it to dry before putting on a shower cap or a do-rag. Well, most likely you'll have to rinse it out if you did go swimming and then allow it to dry or blow dry it on a low temperature. While wearing this hairstyle, you also want to make sure you oil the scalp at least once a week if you can't do it twice, but I recommend at least once a week, just oiling the scalp with and moisturizing your braids. Other than that, this is a very easy hairstyle that you could just rock. I don't want to say easy in styling because you want to make sure you follow this foundation or the rubric that I showed you in the beginning, but it is very easy to maintain once it is all done. If this video is inspiring to you, is motivating you to want to create this hairstyle, please hit that subscribe button and comment what you like or what you may want to know more about while watching this hairstyle being done. And I'll explain it to you in the comments, but I appreciate you. I just want the algorithm to know that I'm out there and it's more men hairstyles because I do know that sometimes a lot of people are struggling, I've noticed, with just doing simple cornrows, just straight backs. But I want to have enough ideas for the men out there who are just looking for hairstyles. Well, I know sometimes when I'm looking for hairstyles or inspiration for him or my other son, I'm always just like, where do I go? Where do I